Hi crew, it's Kristie here. I am the creator of Ladies Camping Australia and will be hosting the event. I am your contact for anything that you need. Don't hesitate to reach out. Very excited and look forward to meeting you all. I've put together some footage to help give you a bit of a visual to help you set up your plan and your ideas. One of the biggest things that I've found that the top priority for women out travelling Australia and camping is safety. Now, recognising that we have our group, Ladies Camping Australia, is, I believe, the biggest ladies camping group, Facebook group in Australia. Now, I've managed to do that in 3 years, pretty amazing, but we have logos for all around Australia, and each state has a different feather on it to represent. So when that ladies meet and they see a logo on the van, they can see what state that member's actually from. It starts a conversation, but ultimately it helps us connect and feel like we have a sister out there on our travels. My mission is to make this brand very well known to help women for long term. Now, I've had a lot of businesses reach out and pick ladies that even run accommodation places, from hip camps to caravan parks, and even the one that we're shooting at in this location. How can we help women? How can we show support that you are seen and that you've got a friendly face out there? Well, I've suggested to them to order one of our logo stickers, have it visible on the business. So when we rock up Ladies Camping, we see that. It gives us knowledge that they know about Ladies Camping Australia, starts the conversation, and firstly and mostly makes them feel comfortable and safe. So I'm on a mission for that. I'm on my way. So I'd really like to be able to cover some footage of the reception and show you the logo at the front and how that's going to make a massive impact for women around Australia being recognised with that. In the Ladies Camping Australia Facebook group, I will be starting a directory there. I have done a video and put out there that in recognition of people reaching out to how can they support and help women as a safer place for them to come. So we've put that in place. So look, if you can cover that in your footage, we'll much appreciate it. It's going to make a big difference for us in the future. And again, look forward to meeting you all. Bye. So this is what I mean when we approach accommodation place and we're walking in and we're asking different locations to have the opportunity to have our logo visible. This is not the one that will be here because the sticker is on order and it's a lot bigger. It'll be more visible for them to see. So if you can capture that, that would be awesome. This is some footage of the camp kitchen in the Bunaroo Bush camp section that we will be camping in. Now this whole bush camp section is only going to be for Ladies Camping Australia. So I will be able to forward you names of the members and what number campsite they will be at. So it's beautiful scenery here. So we'll be able to gather here. We'll have some Ladies Camping Australia flags coming down here. There's the money shot. So beautiful. We're keeping a few options open because if the weather turns, this is a great area for us to congregate and be able to film in. And it's just so good because we don't have to worry about the public. This area has been exclusively part off just for this event, as it normally has a lot of people. So just going through here, we will have a few campfires set up. I'm just walking through here. It's a beautiful bush. There's going to be about 25 women distributed throughout here. So what I'm thinking is site number 35 and 34 will be where we set up our communal fire pits, because we have a great view here down to the beautiful water. It's very cloudy here at the moment, so we are hoping for a lot better view on the day. So I'm imagining we can get some good shots of all the ladies around the campfires here. They'll have all their chairs around. They'll all be in Ladies Camping Australia t-shirts and caps, some of them, so it'll look great. This is Lake Brockman down here. This is the lake. Now we can walk just up over here, and this is where I'm recommending for a drone shot. You can do a big fly around over this lake here, and I'll show you some footage of some steps that I think will be great for all us ladies to be standing on and get a good visual. This is my little van, so you won't miss me. My little sand between my toes. Cute, right? Hi, looking forward to it. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so the sun is going down, but this is where I'm suggesting that we get all the ladies and stand up on these steps here. It's very beautiful here, even at this time of the evening. And we all can gather here on these steps. And this is where I'm suggesting, this is the money shot here, a drone footage flying over Lake Brockman, showcasing the location. It's very beautiful. Having us all in our Ladies Camping Australian tops will look fabulous. We could be all waving up to the drone. Be great footage for an intro or ending. It's really picturesque here. Like I said, it's about 4 o'clock in the evening. Winter's evening. So you really, and it's cloudy. So I think no matter what the weather is, we'll get some beautiful picture of nature. Just showing the steps here on a different angle. So go up there. By the time you get here, even in 4 weeks' time, a lot of this could be full of water. It actually usually is up about this high, but you just don't know. We've had a very dry year in WA. The colours here are stunning when you get that light on the limestone here. Good morning, crew. It's the morning now, just showing a bit of the beauty here. How you can really play with the lights the light of everything that comes through the trees. It's beautiful. Got up this morning, meeting Kathy. She's flying in today. Hello. So we're going to see what she needs and capture some more footage for you. Life's good, right? Somebody's gonna do it. We look forward to seeing you in August, everybody.